So hey guys, I'm here to present something for you. I started playing with Collision Drumsticks here, and this is the shit, let me tell you that. So let me tell you a little bit myself. I'm a professional drummer. I live in Denmark. I work with a lot of bands. I do a lot of studio sessions, so currently I play in 5 bands. I play with a cover band called Glam Boys. I play with a cover band called Dance Incorporated. I play with a cover band called Soul Fever and a cover band called Tina Turner Jam. And I also work with a original artist called John Darley, who's just recently released an album and a couple of singles. And we're going to go into the studio this winter here, and so we're going to record another album, and I think it will be released probably sometime in the spring or summer next year. So I told you I started to play with Collision Drumsticks, and the reason I did that is because Collision Drumsticks are actually awesome. They're durable. I like the weight ratio of them. I like the color, actually, the black color here. And I even got, as you can see here, I even got my logo tagged on it. So I think that's pretty neat to have my own signature sticks in cooperation with Collision Drumstick. That's a dream come true, to be honest. And also, I really like these sticks because they're very versatile. I play with the 5A here, but I actually do play with a lot of sticks. I play with, 5Bs. I play with a variety of sticks, mallets, whatever, because I play a lot of different styles. I play funk, rock, jazz, pop, disco, all kinds of stuff. So reggae, whatever. So I really enjoy, not having to stick to one stick in particular. But this 5A is like a go-to. It's really good for practicing. It's good for like more quieter places, and so I kind of enjoy that. So I've been playing, I'm 51 years old. I've been playing drums since I was about 3 years old. So it's been a long time. I started playing professionally when I was around 12, 13 years old, and I've been playing professionally ever since. Yeah, with a short break here and there, but besides that, I've just been playing drums and I love the heck of it. I also play a little bass and stuff like that, so, and co-write songs now and then and stuff like that. But drums is just me. So what I'm about to play for you guys is actually some recording from the studio, and it's a track of John Darley. It's called Wake the Fuck Up. No, it's not. It's called Wake Up. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy it. Listen to it. And give me a thumbs up or whatever on YouTube or wherever you see this. All right, check it out. And remember, Collision Drumsticks, they are the deal.
Rice and curry. Er det nok med 1 takt for, eller 2 takter? Hvad siger du?
Ja, men vi kører lige en lille live video her nu.
Hørte du det?
Ja, det var sindssygt. Og nu optager vi trommerne til Wake Up, som er også et nummer på pladen. I har hørt det før, tror jeg. Det er jeg, der har hørt med nogle gange før i hvert fald. Og det her nummer, det er... Yes. Man bliver fandme glad, når man hører en trommeslager spille sådan der. Ja. Yeah. Fedt, mand. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Cool drummer. Yeah. Funky. Ja. Hej søster. Hey, vi danser i studiet. Og David han står her og får sin lakridspind her.
Flyers, du.
Flyers. Oh yeah! Fuck! Det er the shit. Ja, så fik man da tisk. Fedt, mand. Yes. Se, sådan lyder det, når en trommeslager han slår på trommen. Det er fandme noget godt.
95% af taket, det var simpelthen... Så det... Hold kæft, hvor er det
Fedt, Jan.
godt. Man kan blive teenager.